Hi, this is Howard from Crazy Tech, and I'm going to do a YouTube Creators Forum right now. I'm going to talk about a psychological barrier that prevents people from subscribing. So stay tuned. I'm back. Well, I think there's a psychological barrier for people to subscribe to your channel, and I think I've reached it. I just hit 1K of subscribers on New Year's, January 1st, 2020. I'm starting to get more than 1 or 2 subs a day since I hit that 1K barrier. And I think there's a psychological barrier in people's mind that they just don't want to subscribe to you. So it's really important for your channel that you reach that 1K barrier. You just can't go get subs. You can't do sub for sub. You can't do sub for sub. It has to be people that are interested in your channel. Because if you get people that are not interested in your channel, they're never going to come back and watch your videos. But once you reach that 1K barrier, it's going to start increasing because it's doing it for me, and I've noticed that. So since I hit the 1K barrier, I've been getting 1 or 2 subscribers a day, and they're not backing down. But there's a lot of things that you can do. What you should do is find channels that are similar to yours, get friendly with them, watch their videos, make comments. Don't ask for subscriptions. Make comments that will help their channel, and you might even mention that you have a similar channel, and that will help you get subs. So leaving comments on videos and channels that are similar to yours will often get people to look at your channel and then possibly subscribe. Reaching that 1K limit, and it's like a psychological barrier, really, I think, really helps. But you've got to do it the right way. It just can't be anybody subscribing. It has to be people that are interested in your content. If you like our YouTube Creators Forum, please subscribe. The subscribe button is on the right side of the screen.